In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change age on Duolingo. If you've looked for an edit button and couldn't find one, you're not alone. Duolingo doesn't let you change your age directly inside your profile. Instead, you'll request help from their support team, and I'll walk you through exactly how to do that from start to finish. First, open your browser and go to duolingo.com and make sure you're signed into the account you want to update. Once you're on the main Learn page, look to the left-hand sidebar. Hover your mouse over the option labeled More So its menu expands, then click Help. This takes you to Duolingo's Help Center. On the Help Center page, scroll down until you see the option to send feedback. Click that to open the support request form. This is the form the team uses to handle account changes like updating an age. In the form, start by entering the email address associated with your Duolingo account. This is important because it's how support will verify your request and contact you with updates, so double check for typos. Next, add a short, clear subject line, something like request to change age on my account, so the team knows what the request is about at a glance. Then use the description field to explain what you need. Keep it simple and specific. Mention that the date of birth on the account is incorrect, state the correct age or birth year you need reflected, and add any helpful context such as noticing the mistake during sign-up. Clear details help support resolve your request faster. Now, choose the type of issue. Click the Select One dropdown and pick Bug Report from the list. Even though this is an account fix, that category routes your request to a team that handles profile corrections. If the form offers an attachment section, you can add a screenshot that shows your current profile page or the area where the age appears incorrectly. Attachments are optional, but a clear screenshot can help the team understand exactly what you're seeing. When everything looks good, click Submit. You'll see a confirmation that your request was sent. Keep an eye on the inbox for the email you entered earlier, and check your spam or junk folder just in case. Response times can vary, but you'll typically receive instructions or a confirmation once the change is processed. If you don't hear back after a reasonable time, return to the Help Center and send a polite follow-up referencing your original request. And that's it, your age change request is on its way to the Duolingo team.